Nagpaabot ng suporta sa administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. ang mga gobernador sa Visayas Region. Dumalo rin ang Pangulo sa Regional Development Council kung saan tinalakay naman niya ang mga mahalagang proyekto sa Central Visayas. Si Jesse Atienza ng PTV sa Balitang Pambansa.
Pasado alas 9 ng umaga lumapag ang sinasakyang eroplano ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. sa Brigadier General Benito Ebuen Air Base. Agad siyang sinalubong ng Presidential Assistant for the Visayas, Undersecretary Terence Calatrava at mga opisyal ng PNP at ng Philippine Air Force. Inabangan ng nasa 4,000 mga abogado mula sa publiko at pribadong sektor si Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. para sa 20th National Congress for Lawyers na inorganisa ng Integrated Bar of the Philippines kada 2 taon na naglalayong mapalakas ang pundasyon ng legal community at magabayan ang lahat, lalo na ang mga nakababatang abogado sa kanilang propesyon.
Equally pressing is the existential challenge of our time, and that is climate crisis. This is no longer an abstract threat that is spoken about at the high levels of science. It is a reality that jeopardizes the very survival of future generations. Your field plays a vital role in this endeavor, crafting and upholding stronger environmental policies that protect our shared home, developing the concept of environmental justice. By doing so, you safeguard the rights of today and preserve the dreams and dignity of those that will follow us. Strengthening the legal profession, however, demands more than responding to crises. It also requires reinforcing your field's very foundations: education, continuous learning. The next generation of lawyers must be prepared to meet the challenges of this ever-changing world. And so the 3,962 new lawyers, welcome to the front lines of justice. Your journey begins now.
Dumalo rin ang Pangulo sa pagtitipon ng mga lokal na mga government officials ng lalawigan ng Cebu sa pangunguna ni Cebu Governor Gwen Garcia na nagpaabot ng manifest of support sa administrasyon ni Pangulong Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. Gayon din ang mga gobernador ng Visayas Region na inihayag din ng suporta sa bagong Pilipinas ng punong ehekutibo.
Napakalaking bagay para sa atin because you remember I ran under the flag of unity, and we have seen, and I think this is something that the local governments immediately recognize, that we can really get very much done pagka talagang sabay-sabay nagtatrabaho. Pagka nag-aaway, naglalaban, kinokontra, hinaharang, naghahanap ng paraan para harangin, para lang maka political points, walang mangyayari talaga sa atin. So we should put those attempts to one side and stay together. And this is a big block. This is the Visayas block, and with that, with them as our partners in the national government, there's so much that we can do. And I'm very grateful to all the governors of Region 6, 7, and 8. For their expressions of support. It is a very important part of our nation building. Na malaman na at the very least dito sa Visayas ay may maaasahan tayo na magtutulungan para sa mga programa na dinadala ng pamahalaan.
Una nang dumalo rin ang punong ehekutibo sa Regional Development Council Region 7 meeting kung saan tinalakay ang mga mahalagang proyekto para sa Central Visayas.
Cebu is one of the largest areas for public investment. So it is, well, we had a discussion today in the RDC. There are several major projects in the city. There are several major projects in the province, both in terms of connectivity, physical connectivity, in terms na pag-usapan pa namin sa Agri, baka meron tayong program na ibubuo para matulungan matulungan ng gobyerno na local governments ang national government para sa pagbaba ng presyo ng bigas. Marami kaming napag-usapan. There are several infrastructure projects that are ongoing, and dito mga balalaki kasi ang nakaibahan sa Cebu tends to take on the smaller projects. The province sila ang probinsya gumagawa. So lahat ng pumupunta sa Cebu, karamihan na pumupunta sa Cebu na project are very significant at saka legacy projects na priority ng national government sa socio-economic plan.
Mula sa PTV Cebu, Jesse Atienza para sa Balitang Pambansa.